Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your password in Robinhood. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and type in robinhood.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, click on Account Settings option from here. Now, you will see Password option under Security. Click on this button. After that, you need to type in your current password on this field and type in the new password here. Now, confirm your new password on this field. After that, click on Save button. Now, you need to verify your identity. If you have not done it already, click on Get Started button and follow the prompts to verify your identity. So, after that, your password will be changed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.